Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about if then, the use of if then and if then else. Alright, so the first question says accept a number from the user, check and display whether the number is positive, negative or 0. So let's start. First of all, we will write 10 CLS. The question says accept a number from the user. Accept means we have to write input. So 20 input, open inverted comma, enter a number, close inverted comma, semicolon. You can write n, a, any variable you can give. In line number 30 we have to give the condition because we have to check whether the user that he has entered or he or she has entered the number is positive, negative or is equal to 0. So we will give the condition if n, because n is the variable here we have taken. If you would have taken a, you would write a here. If n is greater than 0, then obviously it will be positive. So then print, and now we have to give a message. So print, the message has to be in inverted comma as I have taught you in the earlier video. So it will be positive, close inverted comma. Next condition will be there, line number 40. If n is less than 0, then print, open inverted comma, less than 0 means it will be negative, close inverted comma. Line number 50, if n is equal to 0, then print, open inverted comma, right there 0. Alright, then we have finished with the program. We will write 60 end. Then we will run the program and see. Now asking enter a number. Suppose I am doing 7. Let's press, it is positive number, F1. Okay, list the program. Again we will run the program. Now this time we will put say -7 or -10. Let's see what computer shows. It is negative. Once again we will run the program, list the program, then we will run the program, and this time we'll put 0. Let's see our program is working or not. See, it is showing it is 0. So this way we use if and then. Now we'll clear the screen. Now here the question says accept two numbers from the user, find and display the number that is greater. So we have to accept two numbers. Alright, so first of all we will write 10 CLS 20 input, because it's saying accept input. Then we'll write enter first number, close inverted comma, semicolon. We can give any variable. Let's take a, 30 input, open inverted comma, enter second number, close inverted comma, semicolon, b. Now we have to give the condition which number is greater, we have to print. So 40, if, whenever there is a condition we will use if. If, let's take the first one, if a is greater than b, then print a, else print b. Means what? If a will be greater than b, because the question says to print the greater number, so if a is greater than b, then print a. And supposing somebody enters the number in b place, which is greater than a, then we have to write over there else print b. Then we will write 50 end, and we will run the program. Now first number, suppose I give 40, then enter second number. If I am giving 80, let's see which is the greater one. 80 is showing. Now again we will run the program, list it, and then run the program. Let's check. This time first number will give bigger, let's say 75, and we'll give the second number, say 47. Let's see which is the greater one. So it's displaying the greater one. Alright. Here the question says, accept the measures of two angles and check whether they are complementary or not. What do you mean by complementary angle? When you add given two angles and you get the sum as 90 degree, it is called complementary angle. So let's start. 10 CLS, 20 input, open inverted comma, enter first angle, close inverted comma, give semicolon, and write A. You can take any variable you want. Then 30, again input, open inverted comma, enter second angle, close inverted comma, semicolon, B. Line number 40, we have to do let, because we need to calculate and check whether they are coming equal to 90 or not. So let S sum is equal to A plus B. Then line number 50, now we'll give the condition. If S, this variable S, is equal to 90, then print, we have to give a message, so complementary, else print, open inverted comma, not complementary. Close inverted comma. Then we have finished with the program, so we'll write 60 end, and then we will run the program. First angle, let's say 60, enter second angle, let's say 30. So yes, the sum is coming up to 90, so this is complementary. Once again we will list the program and then we will run the program. Let's see, this time we'll give maybe more than 90 degree, the sum 45, and then let's give 20. Let's see, not complementary. So this way the computer understands if then else, and it runs the program and gives us the output. Till then, take care, give your best, and the best will come back to you. Thank you.